चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
This was a disgrace. This was a rigged trial by a conflicted judge who was corrupt. It's a rigged trial, a disgrace. They wouldn't give us a venue change. We were at 5% or 6% in this district, in this area. This was a rigged, disgraceful trial. The real verdict is going to be November 5th by the people. And they know what happened here, and everybody knows what happened here. You have a Soros-backed DA, and the whole thing, we didn't do a thing wrong. I'm a very innocent man, and it's okay. I'm fighting for our country. I'm fighting for our Constitution. Our whole country is being rigged right now. This was done by the Biden administration in order to wound or hurt an opponent, a political opponent. And I think it's just a disgrace. And we'll keep fighting. We'll fight till the end and we'll win. Because our country's gone to hell. We don't have the same country anymore. We have a divided mess. We're a nation in decline, serious decline. Millions and millions of people pouring into our country right now from prisons and from mental institutions, terrorists. And they're taking over our country. We have a country that's in big trouble. But this was a rigged decision right from day one with a conflicted judge who should have never been allowed to try this case, never. And we will fight for our Constitution. This is long from over. Thank you very much.
I think it's telling that the jury asked for testimonies reheard. Now, the Pecker testimony and the Cohen testimony go to the core of the charges, and they demonstrate the collusion. And when they asked also for the law be retold, that again seemed to me that they were in good faith and they were doing a superb job in looking at the evidence, creating the facts, and applying the facts to the law. Well, next will be sentencing. The judge will get a pre-sentence report. All this to be done within a year, and likely Mr. Trump will receive a non-custodial term and possibly a fine and so forth. Non-custodial means no prison time. However, with a caveat, there is a possibility it's within the judge's power to order Mr. Trump to serve jail time. Now, jail time is distinct from prison time, and that jail time is 364 days or fewer in a jail, like Rikers, for example. Prison time is for more serious, longer sentences. It would be served perhaps at Plattsburgh. Well, felony convictions disable one from a variety of privileges, including in some states the ability to vote. In some states, the ability even to be on the ballot. It also can serve as a means of impeaching one's credibility were one to testify in a trial, especially for crimes that go to the accused or defendant's honesty. It's unlikely that Mr. Trump will appeal any issues at the present time. Rather, he will likely await sentencing. That way he has, and his attorneys have, a full perspective on what exposure he faces, rather than doing it piecemeal, which, among other things, burn up Mr. Trump's financial resources and doesn't really provide a material advantage to his case.